Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I've planted some of the radishes, I think almost 30 days back. So now I'm trying to harvest them. So because of the frost and freezing, some of these radishes have turned the leaves have turned bad, as you can see, but the radishes on the bottom, they're pretty good, as you can see over here. These are the scarlet 25 days radishes. So let's see, what do we have? Some tiny radishes over here. Some of them have bolted, as you can see. If you leave them long into the ground, they're going to get turned and bolted. Let's see what else we have. Radish. Wow, no, this is a big one, as you can see over here, comparison to a regular one. Scarlet globe radishes. They are very good in salads. They are all ready to harvest. Sometimes people even like to eat the leaves, but only the bottom part is actually eatable. If you leave them long into the ground, they are gonna turn sour or spicy. Here are my garlic growing. They are not affected by the winter season. And here are some peas. As you can see, due to the frost, there were some of my jalapenos. They are dead right now. Hopefully they will come back once the weather becomes warm. And this is the greenhouse that I have recently got it. So it's a good place to grow your winter vegetables and start your seedlings. Okay, there's some more garlic over here. Okay, let's go inside.